Oh, there we go. Oh, I lost it. Oh no, I have him. He's just really small. Interesting. Yeah, that means there's something big down there, right?
Yeah. They're feeding out. Oh shit, stop. For me, if you get stuck, it's a good thing because you're on the spot, you know?
That's true, yeah. If I never get stuck, you kind of wonder.
Yeah, like, oh, something's wrong.
Is it? They bite really hard. The same thing. I think there's already something on.
Oh, big.
Oh, it's actually taking drag. Whoa. Oh, that's actually pretty good.
Oh, there's a fish. No, there's a net behind you.
Oh, he's not done yet.
It will not be done here. Alright, you can do it yourself?
We'll see.
I believe you. You can do it.
Come on, help me fish. There we go. Hey! That was a big hook set for a really small fish. To the ocean, 3. To a lake, that includes up to 4 then. It's bigger! Okay.
I would think this is a bit too big.
That's too big?
Yeah, I'll go even smaller than that. I'll use my nails, just kind of make it small, about this size.
That's really small.
Yeah. Put it through the hook. And then maybe one more time. Do it twice. You can leave it like that, maybe a little. Then just make sure that it doesn't come out nice and tight. So your length is at the moment perfect for the right in the middle of the pond.
Okay.
Because it's a point shape like that.
Yeah.
So this length is perfect for the middle. So you want to
Stay in the middle.
Stay close to the middle.
I didn't see the bobber bouncing. How did you feel him on the line?
I have another way to check it. So I check it by, I just do like a slow drift.
Oh, and if it moves, there's nothing there.
If it sinks, there's something there.
Oh, like it.
Yeah. If it goes down.
Ah. It was tapping. Ooh.
There we go. Okay. This part you might think is a little bit cruel, but it's up to you.
Oh, you're pulling the pincers off?
Yeah.
So you really got to pay attention. I mean, you don't feel anything in like the pole. It's all visual.
Have a chomp on their finger. It's not that painful. It's okay.
Oh, it's like a little pinch, yeah.
So there's nothing to be afraid of.
It kind of scratches more than it pinches.
For the bigger one? Sometimes they're fine.
You get a bite? No way! Oh my god! It's right there! Truly some hand-line fishing going on here, huh? Oh, oh! Hey! Nice one! Hey! There's really not much indication that they're there unless you move it. Yeah, he only has one claw.
Looks like you're getting the hang of it. Getting the bites
Just not landing them. So that's down, right? There's something on there.
Yeah, this is definitely down, yeah. We've got something biting.
Oh!
Oh, there we go. Nice hook.
Hey. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a pretty big one. Wow. Holy crap. Damn. All right, 3-3 now, right? It's actually pretty quick.
Give it time. 5, 6 seconds.
Just walking out of my range.
Alright, just give it a strike. No, strike.
Oh, that's pretty.